The following installation video is for the CSJ Cold Seal Splice kits. First, clean the cable end for its exposed length. Apply one wrap of red sealant over the jacket at the cutback. Fold the neutral wires back over sealant as shown to reduce the diameter buildup of the wires. Apply 2 additional wraps over the previously applied red sealant. Next, wrap the red sealant around the end of the installed accessory or cable end. Position the CSJ and pull the loose end of the ripcord while unwinding in a counterclockwise direction. The installation is now complete. To learn more about the CSJ Cold Seal Splice kits and other Burndy products, visit burndy.com.